So excited. I ordered a lot of new beading supplies because I was running low on needles, especially like the shorts, because I accidentally bought a bunch of longs last time, and they're good for loom work, but not the best for applique. I'm gonna try some new stuff this time, so let's open it up and see what we got, because I already forgot, and I just ordered it not that long ago. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh, oh boy. I bought stuff from Shipwreck Beads. Hopefully they had everything that I wanted, because it said online that if they don't have everything, that you're kind of out of luck, man. Like, but look at that. That's a good amount of beads. Like, that's a good amount of beads. And then I got some Fireline, so that's in there. I've never used Fireline before, so I'm super excited to use it. I got 3 packs of needles. See? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. 25, 25, 25, 75. Your girl can count. I got a size 12 because I usually use size 11 beads. I use 11 size seed beads, so I got 11 size delicate beads just in case I want to intermingle. If I want to use both seed beads and delicas in the same, I have that option. Oh, guys, I should have washed my hands. Hopefully it's not that bad. I got a lot of marker on them. I was outlining my videos because, you know, I went to college, so I'm used to outlining everything. I always get these sharps and I get the shorts, like I said. So there's the needle. The eye is up here. They are very, I mean, they're relatively short. I have small hands, so it's kind of hard to tell. But they're relatively short. You know, yeah, so that's what that looks like in the package. Like, you can load your needle up pretty good with these. Don't worry about my messed up hands. It's beadwork life. Next thing is, let's see. Ooh, bead mats. So this is 11 by 14 inches, and oh, they're washable. And I think I'll probably cut these because I don't need them that big. That's pretty big. Like, that's bigger than a piece of paper. Yeah, how big is this? It's pretty big. I plan on just using these instead of using like a plate. Like, most of the times I use a plate, or I use like a dish to put my beads in or to put them on. And this would be nice to just lay them on. And I've seen people do this. I can cut them up and I can use them. Maybe I can gift some to somebody, because I don't think I need that much. That's a lot. But I've seen people use them, and it helps your beads not roll all over the place, which my beads roll all over the place because I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I got these. I got some banding, so I got some edging. It's super pretty, super cute. Ooh, which is nice because when you're in a circle or when you're just walking around, you know, trying to look good, trying to snag. If you want to snag, these will make you snaggable. Next thing I got is a bead wax cake. So, here it is. Here's the beeswax. Mind your own beeswax. Just kidding. This channel is all about sharing, so don't mind your beeswax, please. Share with me. Tell me more things. Here it is. Here's the little cake. Beeswax. Super important to have. Super good to have. Make sure that you don't get a bunch of tangles. That's why you use the beeswax, or like I keep saying, beadswax, because I can't talk. It's new earring hooks. So these ones are the kidney-shaped ones. Kidney-shaped. And I think I got the longest ones. Like, I think I got the longest posts that you could get, because, you know, I like really dangly earrings. I like stuff to hit my shoulders because then you can see it really well. So your earring will be down on the bottom. This piece goes through your ear, and then it's super dangly, super long. Ooh, these will be so cute. I'm so excited to use these. I've seen a lot of people use these to make earrings, and they look so good. And then I got some more little kidney ones. So these ones are surgical steel, which I need to use surgical steel. Like, these ones, I think it says nickel free, but the nickel free ones, my ears still get really, really irritated. Like, they get hot, they get red. A lot of times when I buy earrings, I try to make sure that I have a few earring hooks at home that I can either change them out or put a new one on to make sure that my ears don't hurt, because they hurt. Like at the end of the day, if you wear those all day and your ears are sensitive to that, it hurts. So I try to make sure that I have surgical steel as an option for people. Retractable badge holder in white, and it's, let me see if this one, retractable badge holder. So there's 5 in each one. I got 2 because I have a lot of friends that work, and I work in a place that I have to wear a badge. So I wanted some badge holders because I'm gonna make them like, you can put your badge right there, click it in, click your badge in, and then it's retractable. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Oh my god. Oh, I guess it goes this way. So your badge will go right here, and then this will be beaded. Ooh, it's gonna look so cute. So when you get into work, you can be like, have it on here and be like, whoop, check me in, ding 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 ding. You know, or if somebody really wants to look at it, I don't know why they would want to look at it. Like, well, let me see your badge. Oh, okay, here it is. Here's my credentials, sir. Yeah, so those are nice. So I guess I got 10 of those, so I can make 10 badge holders, which will be nice. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Then I got some metal copper jingle cones, 3/4 of an inch. So that's these. They're super cute. I've never had copper ones. I've only ever used silver. I'm excited to try new things, you know. These could be at the top of the earring to like secure it, hold everything in, or it could be at the bottom and you could have like dangly jingles, you know. I've never used copper jingles before, but I'm excited because, like I said, we're trying new things, and rose gold has been very in lately, and I feel like copper is probably the closest thing that I can get to rose gold without actually buying rose gold, because your girl don't have enough money to get rose gold. I did order some thread, and it looks like I didn't get it. It's not on my big old thingamabob, you know, it's not on this thing. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I don't even see it, so, or maybe I didn't order it. You know, I ordered this stuff in the middle of the night one night. I saw that they were having a sale, so I went on there. I bought a lot of stuff. I was half asleep, and I, you know, saw the sale, bought a lot of stuff. That's what happens. Okay, so I got black fireline. I didn't really know what to buy. Like, I've never bought, like I said, I've never bought fireline before. I usually use like Nemo. I'm pretty sure, Nemo. Nemo sounds like a fish, but we're not talking about fish here. We're talking about the thread, NYMO. So I think it's Nemo. I don't know. But anyway, that's normally what kind of thread I use. I'm gonna try the black fireline, see how that works. Hopefully it works good. Oh, I guess we were talking about fish. Look at that. Even though I was talking about Nemo thread, not, or Nemo thread or whatever. So this next section is just all of my delicate beads that I got. All tubes are in the size 11 to match the size of my seed beads that I already have. All of the tubes are 9 grams of beads, which is the minimum to put in your cart on Shipwreck. I will probably go back on their website and order more depending on the colors that I really like and use. But as of right now, I love all these colors, so I might just buy more of every color. my camera died. Both of them did. And so now I had to put a headband on. I'm too sweaty, too hot. Holy smokes, it's hot in here. Usually I use two, so I'll use two phones. So I use this one that I'm recording on here, and then I use this one, and then I have that like this, so that I can take like videos of my hands doing stuff, you know? But anyway, super happy with all the beads that I got. I'm so glad that you guys got to see all those. I'm super excited to use all those delicas. They're gonna be so cute, and I'm excited to do something new. I'm excited to do something new and show all of you guys. I'm excited to show you guys like how I decide to do things. I'm probably gonna make like a pair of earrings first. Maybe I'll do some like lanyards, because I got those lanyard things. Yeah, I got those lanyard clip things that I'm gonna do. Holy, my hair's just curly because it's just hot in here. Yeah, but yeah, but so I got all those beads from Shipwreck. I really like their beads. I really like how fast they came, surprisingly, with everything that was going on. And they have good stuff. So I'm excited to use these delicas. I'm excited to try something new. Just excited to create some new stuff with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your snag. And just kidding. But yeah, come back on Thursday. Hopefully I'll have another video for you guys. Chi-miigwech for watching. Chi-miigwech for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Bro. What is happening? Okay, well, never mind. Camera number 2 is not working. Battery's dead. That's fun. But anyway. Oh, my storage is full. That's why it's crabby at me. Bye, phone. You're not helping me. Yeah, but every time I do that and I like try to, you know, swizzle my needle in there, every time I try to do that, I get no beads. Or I get one bead. That one little bead that I got on my needle is like the one bead that you can't use because it's kind of wonky. Or it's like busted. Or it's the wrong color. Hopefully I'm in the frame. Oh, should probably turn that off. That's probably loud. Oh, should I get closer before the wood? Oh boy, now I can't even see that. My face is usually not oily at all. This is because it's hot. It is hot in Minnesota right now. It is hot here. And it is not just like hot, it's humid hot. So I'm sweating. It is warm. Yeah, but anyway, okay. So this beeswax, or if you can't talk, beadswax through that piece, and oops, then you pull it off the thread, out with it, like all your beads go like that, and oh baby, what is happening here? Me talking to you and then my hand's doing something down here, but like this is still recording. Ugh. But anyway,